Good afternoon, everybody. I'm a former IT developer. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer of Groupama Rhône-Alpes-Auvergne. Groupama Rhône-Alpes-Auvergne is part of the group. Groupama is an insurance and banking company. I'm based in Lyon, southeast of France. We insure farmers, personal insurance, small and medium enterprise. But the farmers are the DNA of our company, founded 100 years ago. I'm also teacher of principle and method of innovation in 3 French universities. Here are some pictures that I took a few months ago of the rural area of Lyon. So we insure cornfield, vineyards, fruits. How to innovate? We have to solve a true problem. I will explain this in the workshop in few minutes. I'm the lead designer and the project owner of a new Groupama innovation that I start to build 2 years ago. It's an exoskeleton for our claim experts, a robot drone solution for insurance and agriculture. The name is exo.expert. This is the cost for crop risk insurance in our company and in our group. It was huge in 2016. And well, it's also huge in 2017. You can see a soya field with a draw damage, but in the ground it's so difficult to measure the damage. But with a drone, it's so easy. I took this picture 2 years ago. It was the spark of the innovation. Another picture in the cornfield, you can see 3 different damages. Draw at the top right, another damage from a storm that laid down the corn, and you can see the lines. And below the field, you can see a damage of wild pigs. My red car is on the top right. It's impossible to do the right measurement of these damages in the ground, but we, an insurance company, need to pay quickly the damages because farmers can replant the seeds or do something to save the maximum of their crops. So we built a solution, simpler, cheaper, faster, 5 minutes to do the map. Instead of days, we are an insurance company, but we have 2 big competitors in the world for that. In the field of the farmer, with the farmer, without internet connection, because 80% of the time in France, but in other parts it's the same in the world, we don't have 3G or 4G in the field of the farmer. And using an iPad, this one, to fly the drone, because it's a robot drone, we don't need to fly. It's an automatic fly, and to build a map. To build shared value, expert, farmer, insurance, and consumer. I will show you the last video that we downloaded on YouTube 3 weeks ago.
Groupama always strives to accompany its members in the event of a disaster, because protecting the plans in which we believe in is essential. Alone against the elements and losses incurred invariably gives rise to the question of fair valuation and compensation. Imagine a simple, fast and reliable technological solution. Innovation provides the answer. Groupama has developed the exo.expert system to give a reliable assessment of natural disasters. A drone offers high-definition aerial shots that leave no doubt over damage caused by making inaccessible areas visible. A simple automatic flight instantly reveals the map of the terrain and the magnitude of the disaster. A map and precise measurements calculated in real time without internet connection to accurately evaluate a situation. Our solution evolves every day and continues to offer new benefits for agriculture. Find out instantly the plant and fruit count to assess the number of units per hectare. A simple and accurate tool which offers the possibility of calculating the future yield, which in turn improves reliability and provides a more adequate compensation. The Plant Health Index allows to characterize almost instantly foliar resistance of crops to better identify diseases or irrigation problems. We foresee potential deficiencies to improve and control inputs of fertilizers or the application of phytosanitary products while enhancing the technical skills of the farmer. Backed by tailor-made training and a piloting license, the exo.expert solution is managed by professionals grounded in the idea that innovation is the engine of progress for us all. A mission based on a complete package that's ready to fly to fight the effects of time and save a little of yours. Nature often works wonders, and if the saying isn't so, Groupama and its partners continue their efforts through innovation to offer their insured the best possible estimation. A revolutionary all-in-one package that's part of a constantly changing world. A technology to help those who strive every day to use their knowledge to add value to the world of tomorrow.
So now, Alan, I will do a dangerous demo. So we use this iPad to fly, and yes, it works. So we built this application to do the mapping, and I will upload a file just to understand what we can do. So this map is built in less than 5 minutes in the field without internet connection. We grab all the picture from the drone. It's an automatic fly. We don't need to pilot the drone. We grab all the pictures and we upload the pictures on the iPad, and then we build this map. And now it's very useful to measure the right measurement of the problem in the middle of the land. Okay, and we can say to the farmer, now we will reimburse you 8,700 meters square. Well, so I will delete this. And we compete, I saw last year that we compete, the satellites sell these pictures for farmers, but they have to pay roughly 1,500 euros for each year for picture like that, 4 or 5 picture. Of course, if you fly a drone, we are under the cloud, so the weather is not important for us. Now I will show you another feature that we had this summer. It's a sunflower field. So you know, sometimes farmers, they have disease or damages, and they have to know if they need to replant the seeds. I mean, to destroy their field and to replant. You can see my car, and on the floor, sunflower, they are very, very small. It's like a matchbox. So it's really, really difficult to see. We build the map in the field. And now I will do this dangerous demo for you. So I push count, submit. So the goal is to understand if we have to pay for replant, or if it is a disease, for example, if the farmer have to replant. Now you can see the little leaves of the sunflower. So I will take 100 meters square, roughly. So counting assistance, I don't use cloud. Color segmentation, tricolor. Not so bad. Next step. So I will use the blue color. Good. Next step. Pretty good. Done. And now I can say to the farmer in less than 2 or 3 minutes, okay, you have 53,000 items per hectare. You don't need to replant. So this is what we did this year. And it's really, really useful for every farmer in the world, not only in France. So I go back to the presentation. We increased the quality of the map this year. Of course, if we increase the quality of the map, we can do a better counting, and of course, we can provide the yield of the crop. And how we succeed, we went to the field many times. And we did prototypes again and again with our experts and with our customers, the farmers. Now we have reduced our cost and we provide a better service to inform our customers about the quality of their land. Nitrogen needs with plant health and this yield, counting plants. We found disease, and this is really important to reduce the pesticide, the chemical product. And we find also this summer irrigation problems. You cannot see this irrigation problem in the field, but with a drone and with our application, it's possible. Some photo that I took this year in Hungary, in Morocco, going to the field to grab returns from users, agriculture experts, and farmers. 2 other insurance companies want to buy our products. And please stay in the room. I will do a workshop of method and principle of innovation, design thinking, and effectuation. I will give to you my recipe to innovate.
Excellent, thank you much.